Hello and welcome everyone to our own YouTube channel Study in Fine. In this video, we will be discussing exercise 8.2, the first question. From the first question, the third number. So the third number says that cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. So in order to solve this, we require the trigonometric values which you are viewing on the screen. So my request is to learn the trigonometric value as soon as possible. So let us apply here. Cos 45, that is 1 upon root 2. For sec 30, it is 2 upon root 3, and for cosec 30 it is 2. Now in this step, what we do, simply we will take LCM. So what will be the LCM? It will be root 3. In the previous video, I told you how to take LCM. So we took LCM. In the denominator part there is 1. So we will we will divide root 3 with this root 3. What do we get? We get 1. So we will multiply 2 with 1 plus. Here in the denominator part it is 1. So we will divide root 3 by 1. What do we get? It is root 3. So we will multiply root 3 with these 2. Similarly, in this step, we will keep 1 upon root 2 as it is. Now we will simplify it. 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. In this step, let us bring 2 root 3 before 2. So 2 root 3 plus 2 upon root 3. Now we will move this denominator fraction to numerator. So how we will move? Just have a look. Now in order to move this, it will be reciprocal. That means root 3 will be now numerator and 2 root 3 plus 2 will be the denominator. Yes or no? Now let us multiply root 3 here, root 2 into 2 root 3 plus 2. Now if you wish, you can keep your answer up to this only, or else let us solve it. So root 3 upon, let us multiply root 2 in the bracket. So since it is root 2, so we will multiply with root 3, not with 2. Okay, so 2 remains as it is, and root 3 into root 2, it is root 6 plus 2 remains as it is and root 2. Now in this step, what we do, 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2. 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2. In the upper side also I will write 2 root 6 minus 2 root 2 such that this part gets cancelled out and we are remain with this part only. This method is known as rationalization. Here comes a formula, that is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. It is a square minus b square. So a square, here a is 2 root 6 and b is 2 root 2. So 2 root 6 whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square. And let us multiply root 3 in this bracket. So we will multiply root to root, that is root 3 into root 6. 2 remains. Root 3 into root 6, it is root 18. Again minus 2 remains as it is. Root 3 into root 2, it is root 6. Now friends, you can understand why I bought 2 root 3 before 2. Why I bought 2 root 3 before 2? Because 2 root 3 is greater than 2. So if I write here 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6, then on solving we will get a negative number. So that is why I bought 2 root 3 before 2. Okay. Now let us solve this. 2 root 2 whole square, that is 2 into 2 multiplied by root 6 into root 6 minus 2 into 2 multiplied by root 2 into root 2. Now this will be 2 root 18 minus 2 root 6. See, 2 into 2 4 and root 6 into root 6, it is 6. So 4 into 6 24 minus 2 into 2 4 and root 2 into root 2, it is 2. So 4 times 2 8. And here 2 root 18 minus 2 root 6. On solving this we get 16, and from this numerator part let us take 2 common. If we take 2 common, we end up getting root 18 minus root 6. Now 2 and 16 gets cancelled out as 8 remains in the denominator part. So root 18 minus root 6 upon 8. Now root 18. Now root 18 can be written as 3 into 3 into 2. See, 3 times 3 9, 9 times 2 18 minus root 6 upon 8. Now since there are two pair numbers, now if inside any square root there are pair numbers, we can take out the pair numbers and we can write as a single number. I will take out 3, both 3 can be taken out, and I will write 3 as single, and the left numbers inside the root as 2. The number which is left inside the root is 2, because 3 into 3 I took out as single number 3, and the rest number left inside the square root remains as 2. So 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 8. This is your required answer.